Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the region on your Apple Store using your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and tap on Settings app. That's the gray icon with gears. Once you're on your settings, at the top, tap on the name and profile picture. This opens your Apple ID settings. Next, tap Media and Purchase, then select View Account. And select View Account. You might need to sign in with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Once you are in your account settings, tap country and region, then tap change country or region. A list of countries will appear. Scroll down and tap the country you want to switch to. For example, if you move to Australia, select Australia. You will see the terms and conditions for that country. Tap agree, then add a valid payment method and billing address for that country. This step is required to complete the change. Once completed, your Apple Store region is updated. You can now access app, music and service available in your new country. And that's it. Changing your Apple to region on phone is easy. Just remember some subscription, gift card or balances might not transfer between countries. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.